In this video, I will show you how to enable vertical tabs format in Microsoft Edge browser. So simple way, click on these three dots, then settings. Now here click on appearance, scroll down, and here you will see the option show vertical tabs for all current browser windows. So select this option, turn on. And also guys, you can hide title bar while in vertical tab like this. So now you have this vertical tabs format. Turn off vertical tabs format. Click this box and just click on turn off vertical tabs. That's it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.